Cats are known for their ability to communicate in a variety of ways, from the subtle flick of their tail to the more obvious display of vocalizations. One of the most distinctive and puzzling behaviors exhibited by cats is their tendency to meow at humans, yet rarely at other cats. This behavior raises intriguing questions about the nature of feline communication and the complex relationship between cats and humans. To understand why cats meow at humans but not at other cats, it's important to explore the evolutionary, social, and behavioral factors that contribute to this fascinating form of communication. The first thing to consider is that meowing is a behavior that cats specifically use in their interactions with humans. Unlike other vocalizations, such as purring, growling, or hissing, which are used for a variety of reasons in interactions with both humans and other cats, meowing is an entirely human-directed behavior. This is not to say that cats never use vocalizations with other cats, they certainly do, but these sounds tend to be quite different from the meows directed at humans. For instance, cats use chirps, trills, and growls to communicate with one another, but these vocalizations serve specific purposes in feline social interactions, such as signaling aggression or a desire to play. The meow, on the other hand, is a sound that cats have largely developed for the purpose of engaging with their human companions. The evolutionary origins of the meow are closely linked to the domestication of cats. Wild cats, the ancestors of domestic felines, did not meow in the way that domestic cats do today. Wild cats communicate with each other through a range of vocalizations and body language, but they do not rely on vocal sounds as much as domesticated cats do for communication. It is believed that the meow evolved as a way for cats to communicate with humans in a manner that was more effective than their natural vocalizations used with other cats. Cats likely discovered that meowing attracted human attention, and over time, they refined this vocalization to suit their needs. One of the key reasons why cats meow at humans but not at other cats is that meowing is a form of communication that is particularly effective in gaining attention. When a cat meows, it often does so with the expectation of some sort of response from the human. Whether it's being fed, petted, or simply acknowledged, cats have learned that meowing is an effective way to get their needs met. This behavior is reinforced by the fact that humans tend to respond to meowing. Over time, cats have come to associate meowing with positive outcomes, such as food or attention, which strengthens the behavior. In contrast, other cats are not as likely to respond to meows in the same way. Wild cats and other felines are generally more independent and do not rely on vocalizations to communicate with one another in the same way that domestic cats rely on them for communication with humans. Another factor that plays into this behavior is the social structure of cats. While cats are often thought of as solitary animals, they can form social bonds with one another, especially in environments where resources are abundant, such as in multi-cat households or colonies. In these social settings, cats use a variety of non-vocal communication methods, such as scent marking, body language, and facial expressions, to convey their feelings and intentions. These methods of communication are often more effective than vocalizations in the feline social context. Cats do not rely on meowing to convey messages to other cats because their non-vocal communication methods, such as tail positioning, ear orientation, and scent marking, are more suitable for expressing their intentions. Cats do not need to use meows to communicate with one another because they already have a highly developed system of non-vocal cues that is tailored to their needs as solitary hunters or as members of a social group. The relationship between humans and cats also plays a significant role in the development of meowing behavior. Over thousands of years of domestication, cats have come to rely on humans for food, shelter, and care. As cats have adapted to living in human homes, they have learned to use meowing as a way to interact with their human companions. While cats may communicate with each other using non-vocal cues, they have recognized that meowing is an effective way to communicate their needs to their humans. Unlike other cats, humans are highly responsive to vocalizations, which further encourages cats to use this behavior to get attention. This is especially true when a cat meows for food, to be let outside, or to signal other needs. Cats have learned to use their meows as a tool for getting their humans to act in ways that fulfill their needs, whether it be providing food, affection, or other forms of care. It is also important to note that the frequency and intensity of meowing can vary between individual cats, depending on their personality and their experiences with humans. Some cats may meow more frequently, while others may be quieter. The breed of the cat can also play a role in this behavior, as some breeds are more vocal than others. For example, Siamese cats are known for being particularly vocal and may meow more often than other breeds. Similarly, a cat's upbringing and experiences with humans can influence how much they meow. Cats that have been raised in environments where they received a lot of attention and positive reinforcement for meowing may be more likely to continue this behavior as adults. In contrast, cats that have had limited interaction with humans or have been less socialized may meow less often. While cats meow at humans to communicate their needs, it is important to note that not all meowing is directly related to seeking something specific. Cats also meow as a form of social interaction, as a way of simply engaging with their humans. Some cats may meow simply to get attention or as part of their routine, even if they do not have an immediate need. This can be seen when a cat meows simply to greet their owner when they return home or when they want to engage in play or affection. In these cases, the meowing is not necessarily linked to a specific need, but rather to the cat's desire for social interaction and companionship. The reason cats meow at humans but not at other cats can be explained through a combination of evolutionary factors, social structure, and the domestication process. Meowing is a behavior that evolved specifically for communication with humans. As cats have learned that vocalizing is an effective way to get attention and fulfill their needs. While cats do use other vocalizations with other cats, such as chirps and growls, meowing is a unique form of communication that has been shaped by the close relationship between cats and humans. Over time, cats have come to understand that meowing is a powerful tool for interacting with humans, and this behavior continues to play an important role in the way cats communicate with their human companions.